Hey everybody, here we have an old Tempstar Whirlpool central air conditioner. I say that because it used to have both of the logos on it, Tempstar and Whirlpool. That is because this is an early inner city product. Wasn't expecting that. I'll have an explanation as to why it had both logos in the description rather than standing here talking about it. But that was a startup of a 1988 Tempstar Whirlpool central air conditioner. I think that's a Copeland. Line's ice cold. It's working good by the looks of it. There used to be two, but one got replaced with a newer Carrier unit. Dated 2019. Didn't expect to catch a startup of it, but hey. There is a startup of 1988, I guess you could say Tempstar. It's like the valves and the compressor sound kind of worn. But I guess that'll be it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.